Welcome to the channel Computer Knowledge. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video of computer. Let's come to the topic series based functionality. Okay. First one is our axis. How many axes in a series have? One axis, that is row axis level. Okay. D type is the returns the D type or data type of the object. Empty is the function which returns true if the series is empty. If the series is does not empty or it fills some value, then it gives or it returns false. Okay. NDIM returns the number of dimension of the underlying data, by definition 1. Size returns the number of elements in the underlying data. Values function is returns the series as NDRA. Head function returns the first n rows. Tail function returns the last n rows. Let's come to the program 117. Okay. In this coding, import pandas as PD, whereas pandas is the library and PD is the alias of pandas library. And import numpy as MP, because in this series we used random.rand function of numpy array. Okay, that's why in this coding we used import numpy as np, whereas np is the alias of numpy library. Okay, create a series with random numbers of 4. That's why in this function of random dot randn we have passed 4 values or 4 random number we want to create. Okay, np or random number is the library function of numpy array. Okay, that's why for 4 we passed on the argument of series. That's why it gives the output 0 to 3, and it automatically the computer gives the output of random numbers. Okay, the data type is the float type. Next is our axis. What is axis? Return the list of labels of the series. In 119 code, see, we have created 4 random numbers, and the axis we have to print the axis of the series. So print a function s.axis, it will print the how many axes we used. Range index, what is the range? Start from 0 and stops with 4, and step is our 1. How many random numbers we have created? 4 random numbers created, and from starting it is the 0 index to 4 index, and stop is the 4, and by default the step is 1. The above result is compact format of a list of value from 0 to 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is our D type, means data type. Values are which type of data will be printed, which type of data we want to store, that is gives the result or output of the s.d type. We have created random numbers 4. Okay, random numbers always gives some floating point value. Now, when we want to print the series D types, means data type, it gives the output float 64. Okay. Next is our empty function. The empty functionality returns the boolean value saying whether the object is empty or whether the series is empty or not. True indicates that object is empty. In this code 1 to 7, let's see, series function pass np.random, 4 numbers are created. To print is the object is empty. Next we print the series with empty functionality. Okay, the series is not a empty series because we have created random numbers of 4 random numbers in this series. So the series is not empty. That's why the output is false. Okay, if the series is does not fill any value, then series gives the output true. Next is our NDIV returns the number of dimension of the object. By definition, a series is a one-dimensional data structure. So it returns one dimension means one axis, or one dimension of the object is our one. So in this 137 code, import pandas as PD is the compulsory in a pandas data structure. For a numpy array, or to create a random numbers of series, we have to import the numpy as np. Okay, I have to create a random number series, and after that I print that series values. Then next is the print function. We have passed the print statement the dimension of the object, and in that next line print function is used s dot ndim. We have already know that pandas series is a one dimensional array, so it is a one dimensional array. We have know that. That's why the output of the dimension of the object is 1, and a random number 4s are created from 0 to 3. Okay, next is our size. It returns the size or length of the series. In 141 code, know that there are two random numbers I have created. So the size of the object is 2. So we have to print s dot size functionality. Okay. Next is our values. It returns the actual data in the series as an array. Let's see, in 142 code, import pandas as PD is the compulsory for a pandas series. Next, we have import numpy as NP. We have used random 4 numbers. Okay, then in the next line, I have print the series values. Okay, next line print the actual data series. I have given a statement or in a print function. Then in next line print s dot values. Okay, it returns the values in a list. What is the values? 1.66966062. We have seen there are 4 values in a data series. Okay.